In fact, there are more breaking updates coming in. Like we mentioned, the BJP leaders continue to give an open offer. The Haryana speaker has now also waded into the controversy in the latest. In a big statement by the BJP has in fact made an open offer to Kumari Selja, saying we would consider it if Kumari Selja wants to join the BJP.
आज कुमारी बहन शैलजा को जिस प्रकार से अपमानित किया गया, कांग्रेस के लोगों को कुमारी शैलजा से हाथ जोड़ करके माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए, पूरे दलित समाज से माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए। आज मैं समझता हूं कि जो बापू बेटा किसी भी व्यक्ति को, किसी भी नेता को पूरे हरियाणा के अंदर अपने से ऊपर देखना नहीं चाहते, और जो भी व्यक्ति कोशिश करता है उसको बाय हुक और क्रुक उसको नीचा दिखाने का प्रयास होता है।
So, Nyamika, that's the open invitation that we were talking about. The BJP leaders not just going on to say that the Congress party has insulted the Dalit community, but also going on to say that we are keeping an open offer to Kumari Selja if she wants to join.
Well, absolutely. The Haryana BJP leaders are giving this offer to Kumari Selja by saying that it is an injustice which the Congress party is doing with her, as they are also questioning the various statements which are being made by several of the members of the Haryana Congress, as we have seen that a controversial casteist remark was being made against her during an address of Bhupinder Singh Hooda, the CLP leader of Haryana. And at that point of time also, Bhupinder Singh Hooda had clarified and mentioned that Kumari Selja is like a sister to him, and he has also said that whoever will insult Kumari Selja, then a strict action would be taken against him. So clearly the Congress party is also trying to clear its stand. They are also saying that Kumari Selja is a very much important, very much prominent leader within the party, but clearly the manner in which the ticket distribution is being done by the Congress party for the assembly elections, that has made Kumari Selja very much upset, and that's the only reason why she is not being seen anywhere for the election campaigning. She is continuously being quiet. There is no statement which is also coming in on her part, because continuously the BJP leaders are also saying that we are ready. If Kumari Selja wants to join the BJP, then we will also accept her. So that was a statement which the BJP is making, as they are also trying to get political gains from the infighting which is there within the Haryana Congress, as they are also trying to focus on the non-Jat votes there, and that's the only reason why they are also saying that this is an insult to the Dalit community. The manner in which the Congress party is behaving with Kumari Selja, that's an injustice which the Congress party is doing with the Dalit community, and that's the only reason why they are giving it an open offer to Kumari Selja to come and join the BJP. But on the other side, the Congress party is also trying to justify by saying that there is an internal democracy within the party. If any leader within the Congress party is upset or they want to express their opinion, they can do so within the party forum, and the Congress party is also showing confidence that Kumari Selja is not going anywhere. This is just an attempt on the part of the BJP to divert the attention from the real issues, and that's the only reason why they are making such kind of statements against the Congress party regarding Kumari Selja.